Sawubona. I'm going this video as short as possible because I'm really not trying to talk for 10 minutes. My voice is gone. So recently I put up a video and I was crying. Bengingekho right, bengihlukumezekile kakhulu emoyeni. To a point where ngike ngavakashela a certain cemetery in Richards Bay where omunye onendawo enhlizweni yami abekwa khona noma afihla khona, and I just had the thoughts ukuthi abantu abalele sebakuthola ukuphumula kunalempilo umuntu ayiphilayo. Ekuyifakeni kwami ivideo ngizoqala ngalokho okupositive ukuthi baze bangithwala abantu engingabazi, nabantu nami abangangazi kodwa mhlambe bangazele efonini kodwa ungazi abangazi. Ama inbox engiwatholile and the stories I read of what you guys are going through, it made me cry even more because I was like, yo. That video opened amehlami to make me see ukuthi a lot of people are going through something, and abanye they expressed ukuthi yazi I look up to you, but ukukhala broke my heart because ngithembele kuwena izinto. Alright, so somebody just gave me a call, but anyway, I'm not planning on restarting this video. But as I was saying, yeah, angazi ukuthi ngicine on the last part, but ama DMs amanye ngiwatholile mekwabantu abashoyo ukuthi mfethu ngibukela kuwena. So umuntu engimbuka mina emehlweni ame strong, mase kuyena okhalayo uthi angenze njani. I understand where they're coming from. And mengihamba in public, usually into engijwayele ukuyithola is mfethu upheni khona leya video wayiposta wathi wangisiza kuleya video, I was going through 1 no 2 no 3. And sometimes mengenza video kanje, I will not see the effect it will have on the other side. Angazi ukuthi ifika kubani ngasiphi isikhathi imenzele ini. But I always get that. And on the negative side, I also got those comments. Hence why ngivala ama comments. And I also got those comments where they were like, unfortunately, munabantu abakulandelayo abathe baba baningana kuyinkundla zokuxhumana kuthiwa we influence. I don't know why they do that, but yeah, okay. On the negative side, I also got comments that were like, where am I influencer? Thanda ukubukwa lo, thanda ukunaka, thanda attention. Mina nje angikuthathe serious mu record ukukhala. And my question was, if it's okay for me ukurekhoda ivideo ngikutshela ukuthi konke kuzolunga, konke kuzoba right, nami ngeke ngadlula entweni kanje ngenza u1 no 2 no 3, so nawe muhlangabezana naleso simo enza u1 no 2 no 3. You understand? So if it's okay for me ukugqugquzela umuntu ngempilo ngimtshela ukuthi kuzoba right, if it's okay for me kule position engikuyona mhlambe ngokwempilo ukukutshela ukuthi angifikanga ngenhlanhla la ngikhona, nami lezi zinto obhekane nazo ngadlula kuzona, you know, because kuhlezi kumnandi mfethu ukuthola umuntu ongaphambi kwakhe ezokutshela ukuthi hayi uzokwenza. So if it's okay for me to come here ngigqugquzele ngempilo, why is it not okay for me to come back here ngisho ukuthi angikho right? Why is it not okay for me to express ukuthi ngiphatheke kabuhlungu, I am hurt, kukhona isimo engibhekene naso esithanda ukungisinda and singizwisa ubuhlungu. And uyazi ukuthi ngihlezi ngizobuya la and talk about izinto esengibhekane nazo or share my life lessons. Through konke lokho ngike ngafunda ukuthi empilweni kujwayele ukusebenziseka kosaziwayo, athi umuntu umeyibulala, ayisi mengizoyibulala, never that, but athi umuntu umeyethatha impilo yakhe kuthiwa ube ngakhuluma ngani. Kodwa umuntu umeqhamuka ekhuluma kuthiwa hayibo uyayithanda attention lo, ufuna ukunakwa, uyatetema. So I think that's why a lot of people keep things to themselves, because they don't want to be told ukuthi uyatetema, awuqine, uthanda ukunakwa, you know. Yeah, it's one of the things that I had to learn that way. But I come back here today not only to say thank you to you, but to say, mfethu kuyasiza ukukhala. If you are facing something, kuyasiza ukukhala. Ukukhala is a sign yoku-admit ukuthi I am weak. Isign yoku-admit ukuthi ngibuthaka khona isimo engibhekene naso esingisindayo singizwisa ubuhlungu, therefore ngiyakhala. Ukukhala is good because you're admitting ukuthi lento obhekene nayo ithanda ukuba ngaphezu kwamandla akho. It's okay to cry, you know, because you come back feeling better. Kodwa ngike ngathi mengikhuluma ngathi lesimo engidlula kusona, that's exactly what it is. Whatever you're going through isimo odlula kusona. Akushiwo ukuthi isimo odlula kusona kuyisimo ongeke udlule kusona. So whatever you're going through, ubokuzizwe emukhuluma uthi khona isimo engidlula kusona esithanda ukungisinda, wabambe lo magama uthi isimo odlula kusona, which means into sazodlula kuyona, into odlulayo kuyona. Ngizocela uphinde ngibonge omunye umama engihlangane naye emall eGallery, ongimisile. Umama, ngithi umama ngoba ukhulile, ngeke ngahleka because I realized ukuthi ngibuye ngilandelwa abantu abathe ukukhula kunami. Wathi mengibona lo mama wangibingelela wasethi, Pheni, ngiyakubona kwesithombe right now, ngiyazi ukuthi awukho right. Isithombe ngiyobuye ngisithathe isithando sami, yize ngingazi ukuthi ngiyobuye ngikubone nini. Ngaba nokudideka ukuthi okay, so yini le ayidingayo. Wasethi ngike ngabona ivideo yakho Khala. Wase angichazela la uma ngendlela yakhe, kodwa into ade yisho ukuthi mudlula entweni, don't focus ekutheni udlula kuliyonto. Because if you focus on the problem, it means unika leyo nkinga obhekane nayo noma unika leso simo obhekene naso ipower over wena. Therefore angeke usayibona izinto ezinhle ezizayo noma ezikufanele ngoba ubheka ukuthi mina ngidlula kulesimo, ugcina ungadlulanga kuleso simo. So lwa mama ungisizile, angimazi Nkosi yami, angazi singiyophinde ngimbone phi, but ukukhala kuyasiza. And whatever you're going through, kujwayele ukuthiwa uqina, be strong. Hayi ungaqina, don't be strong, be weak, except ukuthi sengaphezu kwamandla ami. That's why ngathi leya video mengiyenza ngathi ngiyafisa ukubuka le video ngelinye ilanga ngibone ukuthi sengadlula kulesimo. Angakodluli kusona, kodwa ke ngawathatha amazwi ala mama ethi don't focus on the problem, because once you focus kuleyo nkinga obhekane nayo usuyinika ipower over wena, isizokurula, usuzohlezi umuntu ongekho right. So as much as I'm still not okay, but I just want to go back to my normal self where I'm happy, I'm laughing, and you know, no problem is bigger than me. Khona ngifuna ukisho ngesingisi sabaleka, kodwa ayikho inkinga engaphezu kwamandla ami. Mina ngaphezu kwamandla ami uNkulunkulu uyayazi. And ngithe mengikhala ngakhumbula ukuthi ngithe mengifika ekhaya sesisolala uma washaya umthandazo, khona amagama engawezwa kuyena wathi ekukhaleni kwethu singakhali engathi asikakaze sibone ubuhle baNkulunkulu nezinto ezinhle asenzela sona. So on this Sunday morning bamba leyo nto nje ukuthi whatever you're going through, ekukhaleni kwakho ungakhale ngathi ubuhle baNkulunkulu awukazi ukubona empilweni yakho. Okay, thank you very much. Yabo, ngize ngaba right ke ngihamba ngayo kwenza ikhaya ngathi nje bava vum saphuma sonke isiphongo. And I went back to work. Ishe ngathatha leave emsenzini ngithi angikho right. Yibo. Okay, thank you, bye.